In this module, you will learn about the morphology of a frog. With the onset of the monsoon, it is common to hear croaking sounds. These sounds are made by male frogs to attract females as it's their breeding season. Frogs are tailless animals that live both on land and in fresh water. There are about 4,000 species of frogs worldwide, but they are usually found in tropical and subtropical regions. India too is home to many species, the most common being Rana tigrina. Did you know these amphibians can change their body temperature according to the temperature of the environment? This is because frogs are cold-blooded animals or poikilotherms. In fact, when the temperature is extremely hot or cold, they take shelter in deep burrows. Frogs undergo hibernation in winter and estivation in summer, and are therefore not visible during these seasons. Frogs are also known to camouflage themselves according to their surroundings to hide from predators. The dorsal side of their body is olive green with dark irregular spots, while the ventral side is pale yellow. This coloration of the skin makes the frog inconspicuous to predators and is also known as mimicry. The frog's skin is smooth and slippery due to the presence of mucus, which makes it difficult for the prey to grasp it. Additionally, the skin is moist and helps in the diffusion of respiratory gases. Did you know that a frog doesn't drink water but absorbs it through its skin? The body of a frog is divided into two regions, head and trunk. There is no neck and tail. The head bears a wide semicircular mouth, above which is a pair of small nostrils. A little behind the nostrils is a pair of large bulging eyes covered by a transparent nictitating membrane which protects the eyes while in water. Behind the eyes is a pair of membranous tympanum which receives sound signals. The head is attached to the trunk, which is a broad structure that usually shows a hump in the sitting posture. It bears two pairs of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs, that help to swim, walk, leap and burrow. The hind limbs have 5 digits and are larger and muscular than the forelimbs, which have 4 digits. Moreover, the long digits of the hind limbs are connected by a web that helps to swim. In frogs, the sexes are separate and certain features help to easily distinguish between a male and a female frog. Male frogs possess 2 vocal sacs on the lower side of their throat, which are used for croaking. They also have a copulatory pad on the first digit of their forelimbs. Both these organs are absent in female frogs. Although frogs are undesirable in residential areas, they are beneficial to farmers as they eat insects and protect crops. They serve as an important link in the food chain and food web in the ecosystem and thus maintain an ecological balance. However, in recent years, the population of frogs has been declining due to various human activities. You have now reached the end of this module. In this module, you learnt that frogs are tailless amphibians usually found in tropical regions. Frogs are cold-blooded and they undergo hibernation in winter and estivation in summer. Frogs are also known to camouflage themselves according to their surroundings to hide from predators. The skin of a frog is smooth, slippery and moist, which helps in the diffusion of respiratory gases. The body is divided into two regions, head and trunk, and there is no neck and tail. Male frogs possess two vocal sacs and a copulatory pad, which are absent in female frogs.